Craving takeout but your wallet is screaming? I got you! Today we are making an absolute banger! Pork and potato stir fry. It's cheap, it's fast, and spoiler alert, it tastes amazing! Before we burn down the kitchen, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next culinary masterpiece. Done? Cool, let's go! Let's start with ginger, about 3 to 4 slices. Then grab a carrot, optional, but it adds color and makes it look like Weeknight. Just slice it up like this. Now the potato, peel it and cut into slices like this, about half an inch thick. Soak it in water for 10 minutes. It's like a spa day for starch removal. Then pat them dry before use. Next up, pork. I'm using sliced pork loin for curry, but really, use whatever cut whispers your name at the supermarket. Now let's marinate. Add white pepper powder, soy sauce, rice wine, dark soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and some cornstarch. Give it a good mix. Then drizzle in a bit of oil, so it doesn't clump together like a failed group project. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan and add your potato slices. Spread them out, give them space like introverts at a party. Fry until golden on one side. Then toss in the carrots. Add a bit of water, cover it up, and let it steam for about 2 minutes. To check doneness, poke one with your spatula. If it gives up easily, it's done. If you like soft carrots, you could have added them earlier. I didn't because I like chaos. Okay, let's take everything out and set it aside. Now, same pan. Add a little oil and toss in the ginger. Let it sizzle for a few seconds to wake up the flavor. Then, add in the pork. Spread it out flat and let it sear. Don't stir just yet. Let the bottom get nice and browned. Once it's got that lovely color, give it a few tosses to pan-fry everything evenly. When the pork is about 70% cooked, splash in a bit of rice wine and let the alcohol cook off. Then, season with a bit of dark soy sauce and a touch of sugar. Give everything a good toss. And pour in about 3 tablespoons of water. You can always add a bit more if you like extra sauce. It will sizzle up and turn into a quick glossy little sauce. Now bring the potatoes and carrots back into the pan. Gently toss everything to coat them in the sauce. We are uniting the family. Quick taste and tweak here. A splash of soy sauce, a pinch of salt, whatever makes you happy. Once the sauce thickens and everything looks glossy and delicious, we are done. Plate it up, sprinkle a little chopped spring onion on top, and there you have it. A simple pork and potato stir fry that looks and tastes way fancier than it is. If you enjoyed this recipe, smash that like button and click on the next video on your screen right now for more lazy-proof cooking. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going back to my couch. See you next week. Bye.